September 2024 during the morning sitting. 2, a copy of exhibits laid on the table of the Assembly on Tuesday, the 24th of September 2024 morning sitting. 3, order papers for the Assembly sittings of Tuesday, the 24th of September 2024 morning sitting and Wednesday, the 2nd of October 2024 morning sitting. Certified Hansard reports for the Assembly sittings of Tuesday, the 24th of September 2024 morning sitting and Wednesday, the 2nd of October 2024 morning sitting. Copy of letters dated the 24th and the 30th of September 2024, reference numbers KCA/SP/3 volume 1 into brackets 31 and KCA/SP/3 volume 1 into brackets 33 respectively, inviting the Governor of Kericho to respond to the table impeachment motion. Copy of an affidavit of service by Ms. Sharon Chemngetich Mibei, serving His Excellency the Governor of Kericho County with the invitation letter and a copy of laid notice of impeachment motion, together with evidence and another letter for supplementary evidence, a memorandum on behalf of the Speaker of County Assembly of Kericho. Certified copy of a form of verification of signatures for members in support of the motion for removal of the Kericho County Governor by impeachment, dated the 2nd of October 2024, made pursuant to Standing Order 745 of the County Assembly of Kericho. Certified copy of the roll call vote on the motion for the impeachment of His Excellency Governor of Kericho County, held during the Assembly sitting of Wednesday, the 2nd of October 2024. An affidavit of 16 honorable members who refused to attend or participate in the impeachment proceedings on the 2nd of October 2024 or another date. Documents tabled during the debate of the motion for removal of the Governor of Kericho County by impeachment being the following. 1, invitation to tender dated the 14th of December 2023, a bundle of appointment of tendering committee tender opening records and tender evaluation report, Kericho County Revenue Administration and Management Act 2019, Kericho County Rating Act 2019, Kericho County Finance Act 2023, a bundle of single business permits and business invoices, ad hoc committee report on Kazi Mtaani project, report of the Auditor General on receiver of revenue statement for the year ended 30th of June 2023, Kericho County revenue streams vis-a-vis performance as of 30th of April 2024, Londiani accident ad hoc committee report on investigations of the Londiani victims fundraiser held on the 4th of July 2023, replying affidavit sworn by Mr. Gideon Mutai in High Court petition number E014 of 2023, judgment of the courts in Kericho ELRC petition number E001 of 2023, Sang versus Governor, Kericho County and others, a bundle of letters from the Governor to Speaker dated the 20th of August 2024 and Speaker's response dated the 3rd of September 2024. A bundle of advertisement of vacancies by Kericho County Public Service Board and a letter from the Governor to the Speaker of Kericho County Assembly dated the 27th of May 2024. An affidavit in support of the motion sworn by Mr. Josiah Kiplagat Kogo on 23rd of September 2024 and the annexures including a bundle of photographs and judgment of the court in Kericho ELC petition number E001 of 2022. An affidavit in support of the motion sworn by Mr. Eric Mutai on the 23rd of September 2024 and the annexures thereto including an M-Pesa statement. 2 flash disks each containing video clips in a sealed white A5 size envelope marked KCAV Exhibit 1 to 8. Affidavit in support of the motion sworn by Kericho daughter KD, not her real name. Evidence of public participation being the following: an extract of the Standard Nation newspaper, advertisements for public participation on the notice of motion for removal of Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai, the Governor of Kericho County by impeachment. Links to Facebook, memorandum submissions received in response to notice of motion for removal of Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai as Governor of Kericho County, as well as public mobilization by the county executive. Scanned copy of the memorandum in an accompanying flash disk, copy of a letter dated the 25th of September 2024 of reference number KCA/SP/3, volume 1, into brackets 32, informing the Governor of the public participation exercise. register for collection of compact discs by MCA's personnel that had information relating to the notice of motion of impeachment of His Excellency the Governor, Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai, and public participation forms from the respective wards. Soft copy of the Kericho County Standing Orders contained in the accompanying flash disk, statement of His Excellency the Governor, Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai, opposing the impeachment of the Governor by his counsel, Kato Keegan, affidavit by Mr. Gideon Mutai, an affidavit by Mr. Geoffrey Kipkurui Korir, an affidavit by Mr. John Malel, affidavit by George Kipngeno Kirer, affidavit by Ms. Jacqueline C. Langat, affidavit by Ms. Gillian Soy, and an affidavit by Mr. Joseph K. Rotich. Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, pursuant to Section 33B of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 81A of the Senate Standing Orders, at the sitting of the Senate held on Tuesday, the 8th of October 2024, the charges against the Governor of Kericho County as contained in the motion of impeachment by the County Assembly of Kericho were read out to the assembled Senate. Now, Honorable Senators, allow me to remind you of the mandate of the Senate in relation to the proposed removal from office by impeachment of a governor as provided for under Article 181 of the Constitution, as read together with Section 33 of the County Governments Act and Standing Order 8 of the Senate Standing Orders. In particular, Article 181 of the Constitution states as follows: a county governor may be removed from office on any of the following grounds: A, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law, where there are serious reasons of believing that the county governor has committed a crime under national or international law; C, abuse of office or gross misconduct; and D, physical or mental incapacity to perform the functions of office of the county governor. And 2, Parliament shall enact legislation providing for the procedure of removal of a county governor or any of the grounds mentioned in Clause 1. Now, Section 33 of the County Governments Act, Standing Order 8 of the Senate, and Part 1 and the third schedule to the Senate Standing Orders provide for the procedure to be followed in hearing and determination on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of a county governor. Specifically, Section 33(3) and Standing Order 81B of the Senate provide that the Senate may, by resolution, appoint a special committee comprising 11 of its members to investigate the matter or investigate the matter in plenary. Honorable Senators will recall that at a sitting of the Senate held on Tuesday, the 8th of October 2024, the motion for the establishment of a special committee was defeated. This therefore paved the way for the investigation on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai, the Governor of Kericho County, to be held in plenary. Now, Honorable Senators, ladies and gentlemen, by way of status update, pursuant to Rule 4A and 6 of the Rules of Procedure when considering the proposed removal of a governor in plenary, the Senate invited the governor to appear and be represented before the Senate during this investigation. The Senate further invited the governor, if he so chooses to appear before the Senate, to file an answer to the charges with the office of the Clerk of the Senate by 5 p.m. on Saturday, the 12th of October 2024, setting out the following: the governor's response to the particulars of allegations, B, the mode of appearance before the Senate, whether in person, by advocate, or in person and by advocate. 3, the names and addresses of the persons to be called as witnesses, if any, and witness statements containing a summary of the evidence to be presented by such witnesses before the Senate. And 4, any other evidence to be relied on. Pursuant to Rule 4B and 7 of the Rules of Procedure, when considering the proposed removal of a governor in plenary, the Senate notified the County Assembly of the date for the commencement of the investigation and invited the County Assembly to designate members of the County Assembly who shall appear and be represented before the Senate during the investigation. The County Assembly was further invited, if he so chooses, to appear before the Senate, to file with the office of the Clerk of the Senate by 5 p.m. on Saturday, the 12th of October 2024, setting out the following documentation: designating the members of the County Assembly, if any, who shall attend and represent the Assembly in the proceedings before the Senate.